Hi everyone, Denise Morris here from Knack Training, and today's training video is about Microsoft Teams. More importantly, how we can integrate it with Outlook. We know that all of our Microsoft applications are created to be able to integrate and work seamlessly in an ecosystem. But have you really tried to use Teams and Outlook together? We look at Outlook and we can do various things. We can send emails directly from Outlook to Teams. We can schedule meetings inside of our Outlook calendar that will be applied to Teams. Lastly, you can take a message inside of Teams and you can reply by sharing it with Outlook. Let me show you how to do it. Our first one is us inside of Outlook. This is new Outlook. My toggle is turned on and I have chosen this quote for marketing services. With the email selected, I can go over here to the ellipsis and I can choose to share to Teams. When I choose to share to Teams, it asks me who I want to share it to. Do I want to share it to Miguel because he is in the email, or other conversations? Or I can type another person, a group, or a channel, and I'm going to type the leadership team sales, and I'm going to go ahead and choose that. And if this had an attachment, I could choose to attach it, and I will go ahead and click share. Now this email has been shared to Teams. I can go to Teams, and inside of this sales channel is the email right here. Our next one takes place inside of Outlook as well. I will go over here and click on the calendar, and I can choose to create a new event. And when I do, right here, it gives me the option to go ahead and turn this on as a Teams meeting, and it will allow you to have that link there so they can join via Teams. So if I go ahead and send that, so now it has showed up on my calendar and I can join it, and it says to join the Teams meeting right here. So I can even join the Teams meeting from inside of Outlook or copy the link to join. Our last one starts inside of Teams. And right now I am on a team channel and I am hovering over this post. And we get the emojis that we can utilize or edit it because it is my post, or I can choose the ellipsis and I can choose to share to Outlook. When I click to share to Outlook, the conversation is being now input into the email. And as you can see, it has the title right there. It has from Microsoft Teams, the component that was there, and it even allows them to click this link to go back to Teams. So if you're not using the integrations of Teams and Outlook yet, I hope you start today.